Let's unbox this new case for our iPad Pro. It's the 6th generation, the 12.9-inch screen. Comes really nicely packaged. I'm actually very impressed with the quality of the packaging here. Okay, let's open it up. It has this like, almost like a leathery kind of feel to it. And then here's a slot for the pencil, volume control, power button up here. Okay, I'm gonna take these off. It has a nice soft backing in here, and then it's a flip top case. And then here's the back of the stand that pops up and open too. So let's go ahead and place the iPad in the case. Okay, yep, looking good. Just gonna line it up and pop these corners in. There we go. Just gotta, it's pretty snug, which is excellent, but that just means I have to get it in. There we go. That's reassuring that it's not going to accidentally fall off at all. And then I'm going to put my pencil in there, which is magneted to the iPad, so it still has its connection there. So that's great. Let's see. There we go. Looks and feels really nice. Open this up, grab the pencil. Yeah, super easy to use. I think this is very high quality. And then we've got the stand here so that it